Today I'm going to show you how to make your very own vegetable garden. For this craft, you will need colored paper and cardstock, you'll need scissors, a stapler, a glue stick, and crayons or markers. To start, cut your brown colored paper in half, lengthwise. With help from an adult, staple the brown paper down to the bottom of your cardstock. Try not to leave big gaps. Next, cut out shapes for your vegetables and strips for the stems. I'm going to be making carrots, but you can make any vegetables you want. Try making beets or onions. Using glue, attach the stems to your vegetables. You can also use Scotch tape for this step. Using crayons or markers, add on details to your garden and your vegetables. Now you can stick your vegetables into the ground. And that's it. Now you have your very own garden.